Greetings to all. Hi, this is Yogesh Maheshwari from Plastic Shilp Udyog. We are in this business from 4 decades. Our family is involved. We are manufacturers for multifaceted engineering thermoplastic product for industrial applications. Engineering thermoplastic products means many of the material like nylon, PP, HDP, UHMWP, polyacetyl, polycarbonate, polyurethane, and many advanced engineering plastics like PVDF, PEEK, polysulfone. With and without fillers, we are manufacturing in different stock shapes and finished components. Stock shapes we have in form of rod, sheets, pipes, blocks, bushes, and finished components as per the clientele drawing specification and sample. We manufactures different components like gears, pinions, pulley, bushers, rollers, guide, wear plates, and many other components. These spares and components have phenomenal advantage over conventional metal due to its lightweight, non-corrosiveness, less wear and tear, and because of these advantages, these are well accepted in all type of industries for continuous performance, prolonged performance, and saving of lubricants, saving of energy and time. Now coming to the application part, these products are used in different industry for various mechanical, chemical, thermal and electrical applications. Depending on the applications, the different from the wide range of our product, the product has been chosen. If the application is mechanical, the product like nylon, polyacetyl, PTFE, these are has a very excellent mechanical strength like tensile, high compressive strength and impact strength. Whereas if you are talking about the chemical application, then the product like polypropylene, HDP, PVC, acrylic, these products have tremendous advantage because of its non-effectiveness on the chemical. It has a excellent chemical resistance at temperature up to 100 degrees centigrade. Likewise, for thermal and electrical application also, there are products like PEEK, Hylam, polyacetyl, which has a very good dielectric strength and thermal stability. As we are dealing in this product from, as I said, from last 4 decades, and our experience and expertise has made our product equally acceptable in a better fashion to the different industries because of our quality. Our quality compared to the general material available in the market has a added advantage because our each production schedule, each production system are taken well care so that the product which comes out to be a very good. And as we are, our company is an ISO 2008, we have a system where we have adapted a system for each step of our manufacturing to give ultimate quality to our customer, and we just does not sell the product. With the product we have all type of technical know-how, and we support our customer also to understand the material well, so that the material which they choose from the wide range of this product should well suited to the application, and that is the advantage our customer get from us, so that they can put the right material for right application to get the ultimate performance from the material, Our company Plastic Shilp Udyog has a base of more than 500 customers. Among these, few to name is BHEL, ECIL, NFC, Ordnance Factory. Then we are associated with Lanco Industries, Amar Raja Batteries, HBL Batteries, Ispat Industries. These are our clients whom we are supplying regularly. Our specialization in this field is also for the paper industries, where we have developed many of the component for the industries, which has given a ultimate performance to the industry, and we are getting a repeated orders for those components related to the paper industry, bottling industries,